Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about what is Vipreet Rajyoga, how does it occur, and what happens when you have Vipreet Rajyoga. So Vipreet Rajyoga happens when Dusthana lords are sitting in the Dusthana houses. So what are the Dusthana houses? These are 6th, 8th and 12th house in your horoscope. So if 6th, 8th and 12th lord in your horoscope is sitting in the 6th, 8th or 12th house, Vipreet Rajyoga happens. So for example, let's say it's an Aries ascendant, so 6th lord is Mercury. So if 6th lord is sitting in the 6th, 8th or 12th house, it is a Vipreet Rajyoga. Same way 8th lord is Mars. So if Mars is sitting in the 6th, 8th or 12th, if we take 12th lord, then Jupiter. If Jupiter sits in the 6th, 8th or 12th house, then Vipreet Rajyoga is happening in your horoscope. So you got the concept. Dusthana lord sitting in the Dusthana houses is Vipreet Rajyoga. Now when 6th lord is making the Vipreet Rajyoga, it is called as Harsha Vipreet Rajyoga. When 8th lord is making the Rajyoga, it is called as Sarala Vipreet Rajyoga. And when 12th lord is making the Vipreet Rajyoga, it is so called as Vimala Rajyoga. So these are the names which you can remember if you want. But what happens in the Vipreet Rajyoga, and why is it called Vipreet Rajyoga? Because the literal meaning of Vipreet Rajyoga is opposite royal combination. That's the literal meaning. So according to the meaning, we can see that this is the kind of Rajyoga where a person is suffering, but through that suffering he will get the benefit. Like for example, if 6th lord is sitting in the 8th house, so there are chances that the person might have many enemies and stuff, but opposition, many enemies. But during the Dasha, Mahadasha, Antardasha of the 6th lord sitting in the 8th house, the person might win over the enemies or might even get benefits through enemies. So this is what Vipreet Rajyoga does. It shows problems because these are Dusthana houses, these are terrible houses. So but within the problems you will get the benefits. Like for example, 8th lord is, let's say, sitting in the 12th house, so there are chances that you might get some hidden wealth, or you might win a lottery or something, or you might go to a foreign country and win a lottery. But the problem is that there might be someone's death or accident or anything like that. So something bad happens, and through that bad thing something good will happen. That's the Vipreet Rajyoga. But it shows us that even during the tough circumstances, anything good can happen. But the main thing is you have to see the Dasha, Antardasha of that planet, which is causing the Vipreet Rajyoga. Plus you need to check the aspects, conjunctions and all. Also the power of the planet. Like let's say if Mars is 6th lord in the sign of Scorpio and sitting in the 8th house in the sign of Capricorn, so Mars is exalted in the 8th house in the sign of Capricorn, so the results will be way different compared to, let's say, Sun, who is forming the Rajyoga. It's a 6th lord and sitting in the 8th house, but it's a debilitated Sun, so the result will be completely different compared to Mars, which is getting exalted. So you need to check all the things and then you need to give a prediction about what will happen. But a general prediction is that something bad happens, and through that badness, through that worse condition, you get some benefits, you get some good results. So this is the video about Vipreet Rajyoga. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone.